You might be eating these healthy foods every single day, and they're secretly setting your body on fire from the inside. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're exposing the truth behind 6 so-called healthy foods that are actually fueling inflammation in your body. You're trying to do the right thing, eating clean, avoiding junk, but these sneaky culprits could be sabotaging your progress, causing joint pain, bloating, and even weight gain. Let's jump right into it. You're going to be shocked by number 4. 1. Flavored yogurt. Yogurt has a health halo, but most flavored yogurts are loaded with sugar, artificial flavors, and gums. That sugar spike causes inflammatory responses, especially in your gut. If you're choosing yogurt, go for plain Greek yogurt and add your own fruit. 2. Whole wheat bread. Whole grains can be healthy, but most store-bought whole wheat breads are made with refined flour, gluten, and preservatives that irritate your gut lining. Inflammation builds up slowly with every slice. Try sprouted grain or sourdough bread instead. 3. Vegetable oils, yes really. Canola, soybean, and corn oil are labeled heart-healthy, but they're high in omega-6 fatty acids. Excess omega-6s throw off your body's omega-3 balance, triggering systemic inflammation. Swap these out for olive oil, avocado oil, or coconut oil. If you've eaten any of these this week, don't worry, you're not alone. Just hit that like button if you're learning something new so far, and make sure to subscribe for more real, no-fluff health truths. 4. Protein bars. They look like health food, but most are glorified candy bars, packed with refined sugars, inflammatory seed oils, and fake fibers. Even the ones marketed as keto or low-carb often contain sorbitol or sucralose, which wreak havoc on your gut bacteria. Better snack? A handful of nuts and a boiled egg. 5. Plant-based meat alternatives. They may be meat-free, but most are ultra-processed and loaded with additives, sodium, and inflammatory oils. Your body doesn't recognize these ingredients, and your immune system reacts with inflammation. Stick to whole food plant proteins like lentils, beans, or organic tofu. 6. Fruit juices. Even 100% fruit juice is high in natural sugars and low in fiber, causing a rapid blood sugar spike and inflammatory response. Your body doesn't care that it's natural sugar. Sugar is sugar. Eat the whole fruit instead and skip the liquid sugar bomb. Let's do a quick recap. Flavored yogurts, whole wheat bread, vegetable oils, protein bars, fake meats, fruit juices. These may be promoted as healthy, but in reality, they could be silently causing gut inflammation, fatigue, brain fog, or weight gain. The good news? Once you remove the hidden offenders, your body starts healing fast. You feel clearer, lighter, and more energized. It all starts with awareness. If this opened your eyes, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with someone who's trying to eat healthy, but might be unknowingly making things worse. Your body knows the truth. Now you do too.